Hi everyone, so in this short video I will show you how to add bibliographic information into an existing research object. I'm already logged in. I go to my arrows and I will select the research object. I want to use this one and I will go in the content folder and in the biblio folder, and I will add a new bibliographic information, but as an external resources. If I want to add it as a file, as a local file, I will choose this icon and then select a file, but this is not what we will do here. Better not to copy the publication into your research object, especially if they are available online. So I click on that link, and then I have a paper I want to add. And this is this paper. It has a title, author, a text, etc. And it has, more importantly, a digital object identifier. And this is the address I will copy. Better to copy the digital object identifier address instead of the journal address. Then I go back to my research object and I will add this here. And I will copy the title, of course, of my bibliography, my paper here, and then I go back to the research object. And in the description, instead of copying, for instance, the abstract, I will add some information on how and where I used this paper in my master thesis here, for instance. So this is more valuable information for someone who will inspect your research object. In terms of resource type, it's a publication, so I will add publication, and then I click on create. You will see that I didn't add the content in the right folder, and this is very common, so I can always change it. When I click on this small icon, you see the different things here. I can delete it, but also I can change it, move it. So I can move it to the bibliography folder. And I can also add the DOI, because in fact, if you remember, it has a DOI here, which is the address I added. So let's edit. And now you see you have a DOI here, which if you expand, you can add an existing DOI, and you don't need to take the entire address, only the last part. And I passed, and then you click on edit. So now your bibliographic information has the DOI here, which is very important. So why do we add all the different articles we are using, for instance, for this master thesis? It's because afterwards we have a text mining enrichment service, and it will go through all the information, the text you have in your research object, and it will discover new metadata automatically. For instance, here it has already done it because I have added and removed the resources before. And this is really great because you will be more fair, more findable by others, and more discoverable.